Hello, welcome back to the channel Programming Door. In this video, we are going to write a program, Python program for addition of two complex numbers. So here I have already written the problem statement, but before going to solve the problem, we should first understand what is complex number. So basically, a complex number is a number that is written in this format. It can be in capital J, or it can be small j as well. Here a is a real part of the number and b is the imaginary part of the number, the capital J and small j, that indicates the square root of -1. Okay, for example, if I want to show you some examples can be 3 plus 5j. So 3 plus 5j. Okay, now let's go to the problem and solve it. So I'll just declare few variables with the number, with the details and as in the variable with the data. So you can say that 2.5 plus 2.5j, C2 2.5 minus 0.5j, C3 is equals to C1 plus C2. Okay, let's print. Okay, so the sum of two complex numbers are here. See, let's run the program. So here we got the output, the sum of two complex numbers. Okay, 5 plus 2j. Okay, so that's it for the complex data type. In the next video, we will see some other problems and we'll solve some other problems with the explanation. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share, and comment, like. Thanks a lot.